'Twas a night in the holidays, and this, the first chapter. Tonight, you will experience all the holiday happiness of Universal Orlando. It'll be all joy, all cheer, all
Grinch.
Absolutely, positively no Grinch.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Now, who better to lead this tour than the maitre d' of merriment himself, Giggles?
Well, salutations and season's greetings, holiday fans. Let's go! The streets of New York are filled with holiday cheer. The joy, the sounds, the lights!
That's right, Giggles. Here at Universal Orlando Resort, merriment and cheer are definitely everywhere.
It sure is. I mean, have you tried any of the holiday treats? Delicious! Or seen the big parade? Plus, there is
Santa Claus!
Actually, Santa is getting ready for the big parade. Mr. Disembodied, big voice narrator man. But don't worry, we'll see him a little later on. I'm in the mood for a holiday song. Hit it!
The holidays are that time of year, so jolly, so joyful, the world is full of cheer!
Giggles? Giggles, what's going on here? Oh no, I clearly said no Grinch. Welcome to Christmas in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, where both Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade are in their festive best. Oh no, not you again. What do you think you're doing? Step away from that button. I repeat, step away. Wait, you aren't trained on that.
Technology, schmeckmology. Ooh, technology, virtual reality. That's exactly what you sound like, except very different and better. You know it, people. I'm the Grinch. Welcome to my reality. Virtually. I can see by your desperate gaze into my eyes that you're wanting a tour. Well, come along. I don't have all night. I'm not carrying the camera myself! Come on! You're fast! Welcome to the tour! Yes, this is it! Look over there! That's a crooked pole that's apparently load-bearing. Don't stand under there! Oh, that looks icky. Don't look that way! You just did! That mannequin in the window used to be an actual employee, but people fall for everything nowadays. Oh, what is that noise? Christmas cheer on my tour? I don't think so. No, 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 no! I demand to speak to whomever's in charge! Narrator!
Hold your reindeer! Hold your sugar plum fairies! Come on, Grinchy, Winchy, Pinchy Poo! Narrator, to the parade!
What, you're leaving me? No, 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 no. Don't you know who I am? You cannot get rid of me that easily.
I do.
Oh, good.
And I can.
Oh, what? Oh, that's pretty, and it, it makes you want to shimmy. I hate you for this.
And there you have it, the conclusion of our story and a celebration of all things wonderful about the holidays here at Universal Orlando Resort. Make your plans to join in the holiday celebration. You'll see beautiful lights, decorations, Universal's holiday parade featuring Macy's, and so much more. And if you're wondering what happened to that mean old Grinch, let's just say he's found himself surrounded by holiday cheer.
Oh, my stars and garlands! This could only be one thing. No, no! Oh, the humanity! This is not my happy place! please. This is not joyful or triumphant. Max! This is rough. Betty?